Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through a simple trick to instantly tell the difference between a folder, a file, and a program using the simple ls command in your terminal. Now the process is extremely straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right into it. So usually when you type ls to list your files, it just gives you a list of names, especially if you don't have color enabled. Sometimes, if you don't have color enabled, it is really hard to tell if downloads is a folder or just a file. To fix this, we're going to use a special flag or option that adds a helpful symbol to the end of every single name. So to begin, open your terminal by going to the App menu, then Terminal. Now, we are going to use the -F flag, that is capital F, which stands for file type. So just simply type ls space -F, and then hit Enter. Now when you press Enter, look closely at the list of files. You will notice a new symbol attached to their names. If a name has a / at the end, like documents/, that means it is a directory or folder you can open. And if a name has an asterisk sign at the end, that means it is an executable program or script. And if a name has nothing at all, it is just a regular old file, like a text document or just a plain image. Now, to really see the difference, let's try listing the root directory where there are tons of system files. So write a simple command, which is ls space -F space /, and then hit Enter. See how easy it is to spot the folders? Now all those slashes tell you exactly where you can go. It's a small trick, but it saves so much confusion. That's it. You now know how to display file types using the ls command to navigate your terminal like a pro. So I hope you find this guide helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.